Hello, it's Trisha here, and I want to show you something in my ThriveCart account. I'm going to go over to a test of one of my existing funnels, and what I'm going to do, I've made a copy here of ThriveCart School, and I'm going to show you how to add custom coding and scripting to the checkout page. It's really easy. And there's a few different ways that you can go about it. So this one here is the dummy. It's simply a duplicate of this sales page and checkout. I'm in the product section, which is the second one along the top menu here. So you go to your page and you go to edit, you go to checkout, and here we have the checkout. This is where I would go to change the page and update it. Now, sometimes, or pretty much all the time, I'll make duplicate copies of my sales pages in case I accidentally delete one, which has happened before. But also, it gives me a chance to just take a look at it. If I make some changes, did I prefer the previous changes? And I can always go back to that if I want to, if I have a copy of it. So that's one reason why you would make duplicates of your sales pages. Now, to add your tracking, you're in the checkout section. You'll see the design. If I want to change this, I would click on Launch Editor, but I actually want to go to the tracking section. So there's 4 above the line here. If you want to add your Facebook pixel, you would add that code here. If you want to add your Google Analytics, you would add it here. If you want to add your Google Tag Manager, you would add it here. BWO, if you want to add that as a tracking account, you'd do that there. Alternatively, you can add your own tracking code, and it can be added to different parts of your funnel and your sales page. If you want to include it in the product pages, you can add it here in the checkout page, in the main product, pay your own price, and the bump offer down the back here. And once you've actually finished that, all you need to do is save and get URL, and you are completed. I hope you found that helpful. I'm going through and answering some questions from the YouTube channel, and I will cover each of the topics individually so that you can watch whichever one is most appropriate to your needs. Thank you.